Code 118 Tracker Card is marketed as an ultra-thin wallet tracker that supposedly helps you locate lost wallets, bags, or everyday items without adding bulk. But the real question is, should you buy it before watching this? The biggest thing to know is that Code 118 is a real product, not a fake gadget. However, real-world experiences appear mixed, especially depending on whether you're using iPhone or Android. What it does well: very thin design. The card is designed to fit inside wallets without creating the bulk that normal trackers sometimes add. No monthly subscription fees. The tracker does not require recurring payments to use its core tracking functions. Where the hype falls apart, Android support appears weaker. This is the biggest issue. Multiple reports suggest Android functionality may be more limited than Apple support. Mixed customer feedback exists. Some community reports mention connectivity issues and customer service complaints. Reddit feedback should be treated as anecdotal, but the concerns appear repeatedly. Battery design may be a drawback. Some versions reportedly use sealed batteries that eventually require replacement rather than simple battery swaps. So, should you buy it? Short answer: if you're an iPhone user wanting an ultra-thin wallet tracker, maybe. If you're on Android, you should research carefully first. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.